Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nasib Ahmed Shobhon. My ID is 232154222. My topic is RTD, which stands for Resistance Temperature Director. RTD is a temperature sensor. It measures temperature by checking the resistance of metal changes. When the temperature increase, the resistance also increase. The formula at the top shows the relation between temperature and resistance. The graph below shows that metal like platinum, copper, nickel resistance increase almost in a straight line with temperature. Now the second slide, metal used for RTD. The table shows the common metal used in RTDs. Platinum is most commonly used because it is accurate and stable. Copper is cheaper and has good linearity. Nickel is more sensitive to temperature changes, and tungsten is used for very high temperature. Now, third slide is RTD materials and application. This slide explains where different materials are used. Platinum is the best choice for industrial. Gold and silver are rarely used because it is expensive. Tungsten is only used for high temperature. Copper is a low-cost alternative. Nickel is commonly used for medium temperature applications. That is all from me. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.